Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Up today is a fascinating little quadcopter, the mini drone for adults, often called the remote control butterfly drone. This isn't your typical boxy drone. It boasts a truly unique butterfly appearance with cool colors and soft, colorful LED lights that make it stand out, especially during night flights. It's designed with beginners in mind, making it a great small flying toy for boys, girls, and even adults just starting out. Durability is key, and this drone is made with high-toughness EPP material, making it resistant to falls and collisions and not easily damaged. The fully enclosed propellers are a smart safety feature, ensuring no harm comes from spinning blades, which is great for indoor flying or around people. Control is flexible with this RC quadcopter. You can fly it using the included 2.4 GHz remote control, which offers stable signals and lets multiple drones fly together without interference. Or, for a simpler experience, especially for beginners, there's a gravity sensing mode where you control flight through gestures. Flying is made easy with features like one-key takeoff and landing, an emergency stop function, and automatic altitude hold to keep it stable in the air. Headless mode simplifies navigation, so you don't have to worry about the drone's orientation relative to the controller. It can ascend, descend, hover, move forward, backward, turn left or right, and fly sideways to the left or right. A cool feature is the front and rear induction obstacle avoidance, adding an extra layer of safety for new pilots learning the ropes. For fun, it can perform one-key special stunt flips and thrilling aerial acrobatics, adding excitement to flights. Power comes from a removable 3.7V 550 mAh battery. It charges via USB and provides about 8 minutes of flight time per battery. A big plus is that it comes equipped with 3 batteries, allowing for longer flying sessions by swapping them out quickly. It even has a one-button return function for easy recall within its approximately 60-meter remote control range. Charging takes about 1.5 hours per battery. Overall, it presents itself as a durable, safe, and easy-to-fly option packed with fun features for anyone looking to get into flying mini drones.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.